Well, here we are in the kitchen, Claudia.
Yes.
And we are going to make power balls.
I'm so excited for this, just looking at the ingredients.
The ingredients are pumpkin seeds, medjool dates, ground flaxseed, hemp seed, and mulberry. Are these ingredients good for the eyes?
Yes, I see some omega-3 fatty acids in here with the hemp seeds and the flax seeds, so those are really good for the
The
eyes.
omega-3s. We need more omega-3s than omega-6s. So we're going to make this. We're just going to pour everything in.
I want to say something about balls because these balls look so delicious. I have balls that are not that delicious, but they're amazing little balls. They're massage balls. So these are myofascial therapy balls. I use these balls to help tension release. And a lot of times, not just with presbyopia, but in general, people are very, very tense in the upper back, right? We talk about tech neck, looking down all the time. You know, the head weighs 10 to 12 pounds. And what we want to do is release tension. And one thing that you can do that's super simple using these grippy, pliable balls is to basically put in, this is a big muscle in the neck called the sternocleidomastoid. And you can basically just put it, like spin them a little bit. Ooh, we should try this all.
I'm going to try it.
And you're like, ooh, relax,
But I have tried
breathe.
it.
You know, and then you let go and you find another spot. And I have a whole routine for these things.
Okay, so let's try one. This is the power ball. What I love about these is if you can eat it for breakfast. You could put it in a little plastic bag with a bow and give it as a gift for people. But I like to eat one in the afternoon when I'm really hungry, but it's not time for dinner. Oh my goodness, it fills you up. Like it really holds you over for a long time. And just know you're doing something great for your brain, great for your eyes, great for your entire body. So please try one.
And I love that you said brain. So I said, I want to look like two eyeballs. We actually see, and I'm not going to eat both balls, but we actually see in the brain. So I love that you mentioned brain health because our vision happens in the brain, not in the eyeball. So
isn't that interesting? Because you can have eyes without a brain, but you wouldn't be able to see. Do you like it? Isn't it so good? It's really, really filling. Power balls for powerful eyes, powerful body. And now stay tuned for the next one because we have a couple more videos on eye health with Claudia.